What's going on, my moto junkies? Welcome back to the next vlog. It is Saturday, October 13th, and it is about 50 degrees in Chocolate Town. With the wind chill, it's probably about near 45, so it's a cold one today. As I would call it, it's a little bit nippy. But today's topic is going to be cold weather riding tips. So in Pennsylvania, it's cold for about maybe 50% of the year, maybe even more. And I know to some people, you know, that's like summertime. You know, some of my subscribers are from Norway, and they're riding in the ice. But out here, it's pretty cold. I got 2 pairs of long johns under my sweatpants, and then 2 pairs of upper body torso long johns under my jacket, and I'm still pretty cold. I'm an all-season rider, so I ride every season of the year. And if it's usually above 32 degrees, above freezing, I'll ride usually, maybe like once a week in the winter. But I'm just so used to the warm weather. It was, you know, a few days ago it was like 80, and I was sweating. I was in my, you know, my tank top and sunglasses. Now I'm wearing a helmet, gear, everything. I'm fully padded up, and I'm still cold. So some tips for winter riding is just get dressed. That's the number one thing. I'm cold. I have a bunch of layers on, and I'm still freezing, and it's only like 50 degrees. And when you get I never make cold motorcycle gear. Jeez. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, so it's pretty cold. And when you get that cold weather gear, if it's not like tight around the wrist or the ankle, that cold air will seep through your clothing, and it'll get you. Jack Frost will get you. So I think it helps to tape some of it down. Sometimes I tape down my wrists so they're not flopping around and stuff, but it's still cold. Some people, they wear like the onesie, like their snowboarding uniform. But I usually just wear sweatpants and a jacket, and that usually will keep me decent. By the end of the ride though, you're usually pretty cold. Really cold. And some other tips that you gotta be careful about is the ice. If it's below 32, I usually don't ride because there's black ice everywhere and you can really hurt yourself. So above 32 should be fine. The engine might not start very well in the cold. You might have to choke it a little bit. But if it's jetted properly like this one, it doesn't even need any choke. And you might notice like some changes to the jetting from the air being much colder, which is colder air is more dense air. So you have to richen up the jets, especially if you're like above sea level and stuff like that. You know, in the mountains. Right now I'm below. I think I am at sea level. But on my way home I'll be going up the mountains, and we'll see if I can notice anything. I usually can't notice anything that much. That's serious. Yeah, it's starting to become winter, and the sun goes down earlier, so you have to be extra careful about your lights and stuff. But other than that, it's just the same. You know, if you're riding right after snow, it can still be wet, slushy, and then when the crews put down that salt, you can slip on that stuff. And that stuff's pretty bad for your car too. It rusts the frame. So it might be bad on your bike. Yeah, you have to be worrying about sliding out and stuff like that, especially when it's icy, wet, slush. Some guys they like to ride in the snow, and I'm pretty sure they have ice races too.